What will Mady do after finding out his peach was eaten by Shaka? The Queen's Shaka has won this life thing, but now viewers just want to know what Madaimetja will do when he finds out that his best man took his future wife's virginity, right after he baptized Shaka and welcomed him to the church. The whole situation is a big mess. As it stands, Mbatho is more in love with Shaka than she was before Madaimetja came along. Mady, on the other hand, is very proud of the progress Shaka has made in his Christian journey, oblivious to that Shaka was always there for his woman. Shaka's schemes to win Mbatho back worked way above his expectations. Not only did Mbatho take him back, she also shared her first sexual intercourse experience with him. You can imagine what Twitter was going through when Mady advised Shaka to find a peach like Mbatho for himself. The memes were hilarious. At the moment, Madaimetja has no idea that Shaka has tasted his precious peach, but we have 4 options we think he'll have when he does. Put his Bible and Christianity on the table and fight?